While chasing the drift scene in Kyushu, we came across a company called Taku Forklift. They call themselves a total technical support shop for drifters, and the customer cars parked outside seem to back this up. They have a couple of serious drift cars of their own, but this is not exactly the biggest part of their business. Here you see where the forklift part of the name comes from. Taku have a large wrecking yard where many ex-drift cars end their days. It's a plain demonstration of how damaging this sport can be. This S13 belongs to a young lady drifter who came a bit too close to the guardrail. Even newer models like this S15 are cannibalised for parts once they get hit too hard. There's a lot of different models, but S13s are certainly the most common. A lot of older cars were also hit in the yard, but few people drift these anymore. That's one super intercooler that won't get used again. Even complete engines are often ignored if they are too worn out. Someone already took the engine from this MX-5 though. These Nissan engines are all victims of drift abuse, but they're still handy for parts. Not much hope for these ones though.